ready for school? Ready for school? Yeah. Right, let's go.
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough.
Angie ate 4 ounces at 7:15. He has 3 bottles. I'll pick him up around 4:30 today. Thank you. Happy Monday! So today I'm home, Lou's home. So we're gonna hang out and kind of just relax. I'm gonna take you guys with us, of course, and just see where the day brings us, see where it takes us, see what is going on. All the kids are out of the house. This is like, oh no, Kylie's bracelet broke. Oh, see if I can get that fixed. All of the kids are out of the house. And it's been a while since we just had time, just him and I. You guys already know last week was hectic. We both need to just like exhale and like relax, just him and I. So we're both looking forward to it. I think he's already upstairs in the shower. I'm about to get in the shower when he gets out. I did not choose what I'm gonna wear. I could have did it last night, but I decided to sleep instead. So I have an idea of the shirt I want to wear, but I need to figure out how to bring it together for an outfit. I'm happy, I'm excited, I'm just ready to like hang out with my men, you know what I'm saying, without these children around taking all of the attention, you know, these attention seekers. But I'm gonna start getting ready, and I'll see you guys in a little bit. Bye. So I'm dressed for the day. I'm gonna zoom this out just a little bit. So this is the halter top that I showed you guys in the last video. This is from Old Navy, and I don't know if you guys remember me saying like I think it's gonna be like too thick, but I actually like it. It's not too thick as of right now, but it also comes with a built-in bra, so we all need a built-in bra, so I really like that. I have on this jade chain. It says good luck. I have on a body chain that I've had for a long time. This jade chain I think I got here in Japan. I have on these jeans, these blue jeans. I'm gonna be wearing this yellow Kate Spade bag. It's nice, but I mean it's not that nice. So I'm gonna be wearing a cover up just in case I get cold. Look at you guys.
Wow.
Oh, you want to open the door?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. It's a tight squeeze. About time I got a man to open the door. So we're gonna go check out a brewery today. Brewery. I have a problem saying that word. It's been on our like saved to-do list for a while now, so I'm excited. The food looked banging online. And yeah, and they got drinks. What's the saying? It's 5 o'clock somewhere, right baby?
Yeah, that's correct.
Yeah. All right, you guys, we'll see you guys there. Bye. Look at the cherry blossoms. Spring is in full bloom.
Floaters in my eyeball, coasters by the shot glass, smoking let my mind fall. Plenty roaches, no ass, stepping on the critters, jitters going through my spine. Should be used to a state mine, it's just PB no J. Kool-Aid, no sugar, boiling the bath, water for warm showers in winter. Work cooking, she clean. Mama was a magician, she switched it and turned the tub to a washing machine. Air drying and clothes, hanging up with my woes. Enemies was my friend and me, laughing about all my lows. But it's on, greet me with a hey and a wave, with a real at. These fisherman lines, I catch them trying to bring the real back. Guess it's time to bring the real back.
Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4.
Yeah, same. I concur.
I am a sinner, said the saint to the pastor. Baptized by the west side, it's the age of the trapper. You're old enough to enter, age ain't a factor. So the youngest be strapped, pointing pistols in classes. I smell fear and a smile, get the pain and the laughter. Focus is hocus pocus when brokers a joke. So dope is the locust that's eating when pockets low. Sense don't make sense where I'm from. I use my sense, that's the hustle real hard. Consciousness don't pay rent, and I won't sleep on pavement. End my night with amen. On my knees praying long, thinking about my next blessing. Be the ring of the phone, saying wake up brother, it ain't a dream. What you on? I'm not opposed to praying, but it been so long. If you in the sky and not just in my thought, with no one else around to catch me if I fall, will you take my call? Or will you just let it ring? Point out a list of my mistakes and that could be anything. Most of the time I'm reminiscing cause my current is stitches. Tend to think that I'm too late to pay this patient a visit. Live my spirit with some spirits, but the lyrics say different, and the mirrors say nothing. Still appear that they listen. Roll call, are you here or in a state of indifference? Fair for none, that's fair for all, a free for all in that system. And they'll cut you to pieces, make you the steak for that.
So we just finished eating and we're just walking around and talking and enjoying the sight. Some of the cherry blossoms are starting to bloom. Did you like the restaurant, baby?
Yeah, it was good. Good food.
Yeah. It was good.
Good beer.
Yeah, the beer was good. Yeah, I liked it too. It was good. And we wanted to like come here for a long time, so we was able to check that off our list. And now we're just gonna, enjoy each other's company and chill. So we'll catch you guys a little later.
Merry go round, round with ya. In and out, then up and down, down, down. It's getting old, going around, round with ya. Think I need some solid ground. Merry go.
Let's go. Let's hop. Ooh, that's cold. That's hot. Let's go. Let's hop. Ooh, that's cold.
Riding in my drop top, windows down. Think I'm going crazy, looking for a sign. You and me should stop, settle down. Go our separate ways and never turn around. What can I do?
I am heading out to run some errands. We got home maybe about an hour and a half ago, something like that. We relaxed for a little bit and now it's just time to run errands. This weekend I worked, and on weekends when I work, we're kind of thrown off from doing like food shopping, because normally we do food shopping together like as a family on the weekends. But this weekend I worked, so we didn't get to do that. Yesterday I picked up some stuff here and there. Really it was like fruits. So I still have a bunch of stuff that I have to get. I haven't even made my like shopping list for the week. I just know what I'm cooking today. So I'm literally just picking up stuff for tonight's dinner. And then I have some library books that I have to drop off at the library. And then maybe tomorrow I'll go back to the library to check out some more books. We'll see. Anyway, my battery just died. So I think I was saying that I have to run to the library and then I have to pick up the mail and then like get Kenji. I'm always happy when Lou and I have a day off together, and we didn't plan this day off. It just so happened that we was off today. So it's always exciting because right now it's really hard for us to find time, just him and I. If you have kids, you know, you come home, you get dinner on the table, you clean up, you get things ready for the next day, and then you look up and it's 10 o'clock and it's time for bed, you know? And so like that's kind of how it's been. So just finding time after work, it can be hard sometimes. Sometimes we do it. Like the other night we had a little movie night. that we did, and it was fine, but it's not like all the time and as much as we would probably need, you know what I mean? So I do miss going out on dates. Well, we both miss dating each other, you know, so we try to find little pockets of time to do that. And I'm realizing that these day dates is what's popping. Like, so we're definitely gonna try to make it more of a routine. Overall, the place that we went to was a little small place. I thought it would be a lot bigger. I liked it. It was nice, and I liked everybody's meal but mine. The ribs, it was the texture of the ribs, I don't know, it tastes a little different for me. I like the flavor, but the texture was throwing me off. But everything else was really good. I really enjoyed the beers. It was a nice cute little afternoon spot. And then as you guys saw, we walked around and stuff, and I like that, like, the land is so big, so they have like a souvenir shop. I don't think I recorded inside the souvenir shop at all. They had like a little market on the land. There was a park out there. There was the ice cream spot, which was also like the apple pie spot. And there was another little building that we didn't end up going to. We noticed it on the way back to the car, and we was at that point, we was like over it. But it was a really nice spot, and it's like really nice and simple. And then the cherry blossoms are coming in. It was nice. It was like a nice romantic date, you know. I think I'm gonna plan the next day, and yeah, I'm excited. I'm excited to be like dating more often, and kind of like figuring out what works for us in this time period. But I am pulling up to the library, so let me park. Yeah. You had a good day today at the schoolhouse? Yeah. You had a good day today, mi amortito? You gotta sit back. Hey. Hey. Alright, you guys, let's go home, settle in, get dinner ready. Can you say hi? Can you say hi to the people? Kenji was waving hi. Say hi. Say hi. You're so silly. You're so silly. You ready to go home? Yeah? Yeah? All right, you guys, so we're gonna head home, and yeah, we'll see you guys at home. Bye. We're home. Ew, Kylie's taking out a tube. And that TV is so loud. What you doing? It's still holding on tight. This is the new Minions movie. Y'all, Lou just pulled Kylie's tooth out. Ugh, that's just disgusting. But I'm about to have her gargle with salt water. Wait, hold on, let me lower the camera. Ooh, I don't know that I'm gonna put that on there. Some people get disgusted with blood. Okay. Here. You need warm salt water. This is like a remedy that my mom used. Like when our teeth came out, we got warm water with some salt in it. We would goggle, spit it out, just so that we didn't get an infection. Stop that. Alright, let me get this off. Alright. Goggle it and spit it out in the bathroom. We'll see, because I'm going to talk to the tooth fairy because you was taunting me with that nasty tooth. Anyway, I'm about to put away the groceries and get dinner started. The goal was to have it started or done by like 5-ish. It's 4:35, so that's definitely not happening. So I'm making coconut rice with like a Dominican chicken, like a Dominican stew. What is it called? It's a Dominican stew chicken. That's what it is, with coconut rice basically. So I'm gonna get started on that because it shouldn't take long. I made this before, but I do have to like chop vegetables and stuff like that. So I want to put away the groceries and kind of get started. I gotta clean them. I haven't done anything, so I gotta do everything. So yeah, you guys are gonna hang out with me while I'm cooking, okay? All right. Let me. So I'm about to clean my chicken real quick, soak it in some vinegar water, or soak it in vinegar. Baby.
Yes, baby.
You know what we forgot to do? You know what we forgot to do?
What?
Go to the housing to get another eye for this thing.
Oh. Remember to take it tomorrow when I go to work.
Okay. Before we get started with cooking, I do want to show you guys a few things. I had an Amazon package today, but Lou opened it because he assumed it was his stuff. Because I don't get anything much now anymore. I did end up getting Kenji. This is kind of like cheap. But I got him some more of these sippy cups with the straws. These came 2 in a pack. The other thing that I ended up buying was this. How cute is this? Trying to introduce more like solid foods, so I feel like this is a good thing to have. It has the suction thing on the back, so I'll stick this to the tray of his high chair, and then have the little sections to section out like his foods and stuff like that. I'm curious to see how it's gonna go. So that's what came from Amazon. And then while Lou and I was out today, I saw some more of these glasses, and I'm collecting these. And I got this one. So now we have 4 glasses in total. I do want 6, and they're all different colors and stuff. So I'm still searching for 2 more. They had like a shot glasses. But they was expensive because it was a set, and we don't drink sake like that. It was really for sake, but they're really pretty, so I'm so happy I got these. I'm gonna use this tonight. It looks like I have one of these apple juices, so I'm gonna pop this sucker open, but first I'm gonna wash out these glasses.
No.
Cheers.
Get out the way, who got a watch, who got the time, I'm racing the clock. Even if my feelings grind don't stop. Got big dreams, want big ol' rocks. I got plans, you got talk. Heard it's real cheap, but it's really gon' cost. I'm tryna get these ends, building empires with my friends. I'm about handling my business, no time for stress over bullshit. You think success is an option? I'm tryna get this shit poppin' like woo. Big moves, my rules. Y'all heavy on the tweeting, I'll disappear a whole season like woo. Who said they looking for me? I'ma make you wait for it. Spend a few racks on a shopping spree. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. Tell them give it to me when I want it, please. Wet out on a leg for it. Countdown for me. 12, 11, 10, 9. Beat that, I'ma make you wait for it. On my time. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. On my time. Order in the court. Me first, you sure. On my time, been off yours. Boss bitches to the floor.
Hi, mi amorcito. Hey. You gonna come to the mama? Yeah. 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 Hey. Hi, handsome. No, I want you looking directly at the light. Hey.
I'm sad.
Why?
Because he chose you before me. That's not right.
I'll get used to it.
No.
You was for you, I was for us. You do the math, shit don't add up. Even on my worst day, down on my luck. I got the sauce, I'ma always come up. I tried it your way, that was a dub. I'm taking the wheel now, cause I trust me. I'ma go get these millions.
I try not to do this, but I'm so freaking tired. To the point where I'm reading the directions for making like the chicken incorrectly. I'm exhausted, so I'm gonna have a cup of coffee, which I don't normally do at this time unless I absolutely need it. I didn't have coffee today at all. It's 5:57, so I'm literally taking a chance, but I'm only gonna make an 8-ounce cup. There are some things that I would like to get done. Basically, I don't know that they're gonna get done, but I just need some energy. So I'm gonna make some quick coffee, and child, we gone. I don't know. I'm just gonna make some quick coffee. I'm gonna use my favorite cup, which is my Jurassic World cup. You guys have seen this one before. I probably showed this one more than I do any other cup. It's literally my favorite cup. I think, what was it, last year? I think could have been early. No, I think it was last year, late last year. Lil and Kylie they did like a daddy-daughter trip to Universal, and me and Kenji just kind of stayed back, you know, chilling, and they bought me back that cup. It's my absolute favorite. So yeah, let's make some coffee, chat. Wait, hold on. All right, so I've added the vegetables, so now I am going to add a half cup of tomato sauce and a half cup of rice. I mean, Lord Jesus, see, I'm too tired. I can't talk. A half cup of water. But let me double check to make sure that's correct, because I promise you I can read. It's just I'm so freaking tired. I don't know. Okay. It says then add the tomato sauce and half cup of water. Simmer over low heat to produce a light sauce. Add fresh cilantro, which I don't have. And how much? It says half cup tomato sauce. Okay. All right, let's add the half water. Gonna just mix this in a little bit. I'm gonna turn the fire up a little bit more. I feel like this is a lot of water. I don't know. It says like a low simmer. I'm gonna turn it up a little bit more because I want the liquid to reduce a little bit. All right, let's make this coffee, child. All right, so I got my cup of coffee. And it's exactly what I needed. I'm so tired. Let me go check on the food real quick and see. I think Lou is putting Kenji down to take his nap, which is 6:09. Really, he shouldn't be sleeping, but he was really cranky. Kylie's in the tub, so no one's actually ready to eat just yet. Okay, this looks better to me. All right, so the food is done. So this is the stewed chicken. I did some of them are brown. And then the rice finished maybe like 2 minutes ago. So I'm just gonna leave it here. I'm gonna leave it on low. And then once everybody's ready to eat, I will make their plates. I've been shopping more on Amazon. Kenji is 1 now, so there are some certain things that I think we need to be doing with him more so, like, you know, learning activities. I want him to have some kind of structure for learning. That's important to me. I did it for Kylie and I want to do it for him as well. The thing is, it's like, it's so many things out there. I feel like it's just so many options. It's hard to choose. So I've definitely found one of the crayons that I'm gonna get, because it comes with like the crayons and then it comes with the coloring book. And it's easy to wash out according to like the information that's here. My sister has this one, this color and shape sorting thing. I don't even know if you guys can see that, but my sister has this one. I don't know that you guys can see it, but I'll definitely try to put a picture there. But it's like it's $18.99. It's not like, it is $18.99. That's effing expensive to me. And then I saw this other one, which is the VTech. I love VTech products. It's a VTech Sort and Discover Drum. And I like that. It's $14.99. But Jesus Christ. I don't know. Everything's so expensive. That's honestly how I'm feeling. If you guys have any suggestions on like activities for 1-year-olds, things that can kind of like teach him his shapes, his colors, his ABCs, like... and I'm not saying he's gonna know all of that at 1, but it's a good thing to have. Repetition matters, and just like having this on hand. I'm looking for suggestions from any of you moms who, teachers, anybody, just anyone. If you have a suggestion, please leave it down below. Like, I have these things in my cart, but I'm like, I haven't pulled the trigger yet. I don't know why I haven't pulled the trigger yet. I don't know. I'm gonna finish drinking my coffee and I'm gonna watch a little bit of YouTube. Some of the van lifers have posted and I want to see it. So let me go ahead and do that. I'm gonna wait for Kylie and Lou to come before I eat so we can eat together. I don't know about Kylie though, because I really don't want to eat too late, and she's taking a bath, so she's really gonna be in the tub for a minute. I'm gonna text Lou to see if he wants to eat though. I'm putting you guys on right now. If y'all haven't seen 3 Body Problems on Netflix, go ahead and check it out. We're on episode 2 and we're pretty upset. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. He just wants the camera. Say hi. All right, y'all. I'm gonna finish watching. It just started, so we're gonna watch the show. I'm gonna put this camera away because he's gonna have a fit if he can't get to it. Kylie's still in the tub. I'm about to tell her to get out in a little bit. Lou just finished eating his food. He liked it. Baby, you like the food?
Yeah, it was good.
How was the rice?
The rice was good.
Okay. So he enjoyed it. I tried.
Give a good flavor of the insects. More protein.
I tried giving Kenji some food, but he didn't want food. So I'll try again a little later and see if he wants it. Look at this child, y'all. Look at this child.
That's the right thing to do.
You got it? Yeah. Oh, he wants to play with my beads. I'm gonna have to take these off because he's gonna pop it. It's gonna be beads all over the floor. Say hi.
Did you see the flickering stars last night, Dr. Salazar?
Say hi.
Yeah.
You ain't having it.
Any theories?
Alrighty then. I'm in the middle of making Kenji some food. This is pumpkin. I'm gonna do it for 25 minutes. And yeah, I'm about to clean up my mess here in a second. Kyrie is finally out of the tub, so she's down here eating. How you like the food, honey bunny? It's good? Okay, good. He was upstairs putting Kenji to sleep. Hopefully he'll come back down and we can watch a movie. If nothing else like major happens tonight, I'm probably not gonna pick you guys up again. Just in case I don't pick you guys up again, I just wanna thank you guys so much for clicking on this video and hanging out with me today. I truly appreciate you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And if I don't see you later, bye. And I'll see you guys in the next one.